Imagine your mind as a small, empty garden at sunrise. Every action you repeat is like planting a tiny seed. Some seeds grow into strong flowers, others into stubborn weeds. Habits are simply the plants you choose to grow every day. When you start a new habit, it is like planting a fresh seed. At first, nothing seems to happen above the ground, but under the soil, roots are forming. Early effort feels invisible, yet it secretly prepares future growth. Repetition is watering your garden. Each time you repeat a habit, you give that seed a sip of water. Miss one day, and it is fine. Ignore it for weeks, and the young plant wilts, while other tougher plants take its place. Attention is like sunshine. What you focus on grows stronger. When you celebrate each tiny win, it is like turning the plant toward the light. It grows straighter, taller, and deeper rooted, easier to keep alive next time. Your old unhelpful habits are weeds. They appear quickly and spread if ignored. You do not need to hate them. You just gently pull them out and plant something better in their place, again and again, with calm patience. Environment shapes your garden. If the tools are close and the path is clear, it is easy to care for your plants. Arrange your daily life so that good habits are within reach and weeds find less space to grow. Growth is slow but powerful. A seed does not become a tree overnight. In the same way, habits grow quietly through small, repeated actions. Over time, your garden changes shape, even if each single day feels tiny. To shape your habits, choose your seeds, water them daily, pull a few weeds, and be patient with the seasons. Your mind is not a fixed field. It is a living garden, and every small action is a gardener's touch.